What do plants need to grow? Largest mammal on Earth? What is photosynthesis? Most abundant gas in the air. Good job!